Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Tableau. Let's get started. First, open your project in Tableau and make sure that you're already connected your data source and created at least one worksheet. Next, click on the New Dashboard button at the screen. And on the left panel, you see the worksheets. Drag and drop the ones that you want to include into the dashboard area. Here you can resize, arrange, and format each chart to make your dashboard look organized. To make it interactive, you can use filters, legends, or parameter controls from the left panel so you can explore the data easily. And once done, click File and save your dashboard. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.